Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Investors can look out for passive income based on corporate announcements. Fontana Limited has declared an interim dividend of 25 cents per share payable on June 25, 2025 to shareholders on record as of June 10, 2025. Proven Group Limited has declared a dividend of a US $0.0010 cents per share. Ordinary shareholders who have requested payment in Jamaican dollars will receive the equivalent of Jamaican 0.15889 cents per share. The dividend is payable on July 2, 2025 to shareholders on record as at June 18, 2025. Dolphin Cove Limited has advised that the Board of Directors at a meeting scheduled for May 30, 2025 will consider an interim dividend payment to shareholders. Jamaica Public Service Company Limited has announced the appointment of 2 new directors, highlighting that the promotions will improve its strategy of powering Jamaica's future. Ricardo Case has been appointed Senior Vice President, Shared Services, and Samir Sims will serve as Vice President, Generation, with effect from May 1st. Hugh Grant, President and CEO of JPS, stated that these promotions reflect the JPS' ongoing commitment to harnessing homegrown leadership to build a smarter, stronger, and more resilient JPS to serve its over 690,000 customers. Coffee farmer and immediate past president of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, Michael Leckie, notes that disease and neglect has caused Jamaican cocoa farmers to be excluded from the jump in cocoa prices. The price of bulk cocoa on the world market has soared to nearly US $11,000 per metric ton. But despite Jamaica's reputation for producing some of the best fine cocoa in the world, the country is not benefiting from the global boom. Cocoa production in Jamaica is currently at an all-time low of just 300 metric tons, down from 3,000 tons in the 1980s. Leckie attributes the sharp decline in production to the frosty pod rot disease and a lack of government attention to the industry. For the trading period ending May 27, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Online education provider One-on-One Educational Services Limited, with 7,414,211 units traded, representing 27.91% of market sales volume. International food distributor Deramon Trading Company Limited, with 2,876,801 units traded, representing 10.83% of market sales volume. Investment firm Sterling Investments Limited, with 2,706,440 units traded, representing 10.19% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 27, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $63.47 million purchased and US $65.50 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.41 per dollar, selling the US at $159.84 and buying the US at $158.43. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.19 per transaction, with selling at $116.18 and buying at $114.99. The British pound yielded Forex traders $10.30 in profit, with selling at $218.88 and buying at $208.58. For our credit report tip of the day, in today's economy, it's not enough to save and hope. You need assets that produce income, and real estate is one of the most reliable ways to do that. But here's what most people miss. Your credit score is your entry ticket. It's not just about getting approved, it's about getting leverage. The right credit profile can open the door to bank loans, private capital, rehab financing, and even multi-unit deals with little upfront cash. If you're serious about buying real estate to generate income, your credit score is one of the most powerful tools you already have. The question is, are you using it? And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.